Let me know if I'm audible to you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Shall we start?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. I'll be sharing my screen. Just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me tell you what I'm going to talk about today. Okay. Very first, my introduction. My name is Bhumika. I'm 2019 pass out from CSE branch, and currently I'm working as a data warehouse developer at Amdocs in Pune. So, okay. What I'm going to talk about is there are lots of things which nobody tells you in the first year of college. Like when you have recently joined, everybody will say you can enjoy your time, you can go for anything. Nobody tells you the seriousness of life at the beginning, what you're going to face after 4 years of your college. So today I will be trying to tell you that only what you should be planning for and what you should keep in your mind each and every time. You should not be forgetting like भूल गए यार चलो पार्टी वार्टी में ध्यान देने से बेहतर है कि you should have some plans in your mind before you know when you graduate. Regrets नहीं होने चाहिए तुम्हारे कि you know 4 साल पढ़ाई की and you don't know anything कि करना आगे क्या है, what you should be doing. You are not clear about your mindset. So it is really very much important कि तुमको फर्स्ट ईयर में ही पता चल जाए कि ये सारी चीजें आने वाली है. Okay, clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The very first thing is nobody is clear about their dreams. कि मेरे ड्रीम्स क्या है, वाई आई एम डूइंग इंजीनियरिंग. अगर मैंने सीएससी लिया है, किसी ने इलेक्ट्रिकल, मैकेनिकल, सिविल, वट एवर यू हैव टेकन, डू यू नो वाई यू हैव टेकन ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ टिल नाउ. तुमने साइंस क्यों पढ़ाई की 12th तक एंड वाई यू हैव चूज इंजीनियरिंग एज योर करियर. डू यू नो एनीथिंग अबाउट ऑल दैट? डू यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ प्लान्स ऑन अ ब्रॉडर पिक्चर कि आगे तुम्हारे साथ क्या होने वाला है? Anybody of you? Yeah, your voice is not clear. Anybody is speaking? Okay. The very first thing you should be very much clear. Okay. What are your dreams, your desire? 90% cases में people, parents used to force their children कि engineering कर लो, medical कर लो, do this, do that. There are a lot of things, lot of pressure which usually a student have when they are in standard 12th or when they are pass out from the school actually. And when they are in college they don't actually know कि वो वहाँ क्यों हैं, why they are doing engineering. Really, there are cases I have seen and you must also see, तुम लोग को दिख जाएंगे अपने ही बैच में कि oh, he doesn't know anything, he doesn't have any kind of dream, desire, nothing. So if you are doing engineering, you must be clear with that. See, there are different things which engineering student can do after graduating. They can go for a government job. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि engineers को government job नहीं मिलती है. So be clear with that. Government job हो सकता है, public sectors में job हो सकता है. For example, जैसे SAIL हो गया, IOCL हो गया, HPCL हो गया, ISRO हो गया, DRDO. There are a lot of companies which are known as Mini Ratna and Maharatna. Apart from that, you can go for higher studies. Some students may have interest in a MBA, MTech, MS. There are a lot of things. So you can do that. And last but not least, there are MNC jobs. MNC, it seems like कि सिर्फ ITCS के लिए होता है, but ऐसा नहीं है. ये myth है कि different branch के students के लिए नहीं होता है. ये सारे branch के students के लिए होता है. I think all of these कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब, PSUs, हायर स्टडीज, सारे के सारे ब्रांच के स्टूडेंट्स कर सकते हैं. ऐसा कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं होता है कि पर्टिकुलर एक ही ब्रांच के स्टूडेंट करेंगे. मस्ट बी क्लियर विद योर ड्रीम्स एंड फॉलो. इट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट कि तुमको पता होना चाहिए कि तुम्हारा 4 साल कैसे बीतेगा. फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग, व्हाट यू वांट इन योर लाइफ, व्हाट यू वांट विथ योर ओन सेल्फ, कि तुम खुद से क्या चाहते हो. ओके. very basic. We'll move forward. Okay, I have divided some plan, like कैसे plan करना चाहिए, how you should be planning your entire 4 year. The first year should be, you must be clear and plan. That is your present. Another thing is prepare. You should be preparing second year, entire second year. Okay, slide तो इधर उधर हो गई है, no issue. Okay, second year for prepare. Third year you should be participating, and your final year you should present yourself. How you are presenting yourself to the world actually. खुद को present कैसे कर रहे हो? When you are graduating, nobody is seeing you कि क्या किया तुमने 4 साल. You have wasted your 4 years, or you have utilized your 4 years. Everybody is going to see you where you are, what you are going to give it to the society, and how you are representing yourself. Okay. Okay, the another thing is ये myth होती है कि coding is only required for CSIT or electronic stream. See, coding is for all. Please don't ये myth में मत रहो कि we have this branch, we are going to do this and that only. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Okay, so very important thing is plan yourself. For example, जिन लोगों को PSUs job करने हैं, they should be planning for that. जिन लोगों को government sector में ही move होना है, they should be planning for that. जिनको MNCs में जाना है, they can plan for that, whatever they wish. Some resources मैंने यहाँ पे add किए हैं. Internshala, you can check out the website of, just a second. Yeah, you can check out the website of Internshala, Coursera, Udemy, Udacity. ये सारे पे तुमको courses मिल जाएंगे, technical courses. Go for that courses in your first year. तुम लोग कोई ना कोई टेक्नोलॉजी पकड़ो, विच एवर सूट्स यू as per your stream, and go for that. Okay, another thing is DS algo. ये बहुत important होता है, mostly CS, EC and electrical. कभी कभार electrical के students से भी पूछते हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं पूछते हैं, but CS and EC, तो they can go for that. किसी का कुछ question है? Anybody is having any kind of question till now?
No.
Nobody? Really? Okay. For second year, I would suggest कि first year में तुम लोगों ने जो भी courses किए till now, it can be web development, Android development, IoT, CAD, and there are many. I don't know very much about the other stream like mechanical engineering and civil, but what I will try to facilitate that we will be having alumni talk. Please come forward and talk to the seniors who have already expert in that, because I can't guide very much to those people. So if you are having any question for that, you can ask them. For the second year, in second year, what do you need to do, whatever you have learned till now from the first year, like coding, whatever courses you have done, it's time for you to develop the things, develop the project, what whatever you can, whatever you take technology, it doesn't matter you are doing this or that, and please stick to one technology, make some project on that so that you can represent that project in your resume. It is very much important in second year to develop those things, because what happens when we are in third year or final year, we are not sure what we are going to put in our resume. We are not having enough number of projects, enough number of participation anywhere. So it's your time, you can go for that. And one more thing, it happens, usually happens, people used to copy the things, copy from friends, either they go Ranchi or somewhere else, either they use internet for copying. So don't do that, highly recommended, don't ever do that. Another thing is, when you are in second year, you should be preparing for internships. Technical, I'm not telling about campus ambassador internship or technical content writer, that no, prepare for something which is really technical. For example, those who are in CSIT or EC, they can prepare for SDE role, that is software development engineer, intern actually. So prepare for that technical roles which you will be doing after graduating. You should be going for internship of that in third year. So prepare from the second year that the next coming 1 year you have to work on that. Okay. Another thing is from second year you start getting core papers like I do remember microprocessor in I think third year or something. I don't remember the paper name, but yes, you start getting some papers which are really important. These papers will be present in your gate exam, or whenever you will go for any interview. They are going to ask about those subjects like DBMS. There is data structures, algorithms, and yeah, leave the coding. Apart from that, there are several subjects which you will get to answer in your interviews. So give your time for, mostly give your second year time for development purpose. Development in the sense you have to develop your projects, develop your resume in this year only. If you are wasting your second year of the time, you will be facing a lot of difficulties when you are in third year and final year. Okay. Now, when you are in third year, what you should be doing? बहुत फर्स्ट ईयर पढ़ाई कर ली, सेकेंड ईयर प्रोजेक्ट्स बना लिया, एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू showcase yourself either online or offline, whatever you wish. You can go for competitions which used to happen in different colleges. There are several hackathons which are organized in different colleges. You can go for that. There are online hackathons as well. You can participate in that. Some of the website I have mentioned, which used to organize this kind of competitions like Geek for Geeks, Code Chef, Code Forces, Tech Geek. You can check out these websites, and there are many more. I must not, maybe I don't know, but yeah, you should be participating. Give your time to showcase yourself at the college level. Go different colleges. Maybe it happens in BIT Meshra, I guess. BIT Meshra and NIT Jamshedpur. Whenever they organize something, they used to inform our college. So go for that. Some students also know about IITs. IITs में कुछ hackathons होते हैं. They used to call us. Whenever you get some opportunities, don't miss that. What happens? I will tell you a story behind this. When I was in final year, yes, I think I was in final year. Yes, it was the time of Durga Puja, and people, students of my batch, maybe mostly everyone, was going home. And what I did, I participated in IoT hackathon, which was organized at BIT Meshra. So what happens? Prioritize. Life में priority नहीं होती है. People don't have priority that what is much more important to me, to go home or to go for a participation in any kind of competition. So what I would suggest कि if you are really very much clear कि life में तुम्हें क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, you need to prioritize things. If you are not able to do all of these things in your final year, I know I know, no, I have seen in my life also, and I will suggest you to also do that. Otherwise, what will happen after final year? You will regret the things. काश ये मैंने उस वक्त किया होता, काश. So don't let that kash ruin your life. Okay. Another thing, no, I won't be telling what you should be doing in your final year because वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. This was mostly for juniors like first year, second year. So lots of things which nobody thinks कि ये important होती है, but yeah, there is. Another,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, which type of projects you made when you were learning things?
Okay. I think I was in second year or third year. I don't remember exactly. See, I had a course I had done of Java. I had project on Java. I made an application. Another in third year, I studied web development. So I made my final year project that was based on web development. I had a training with BSNL when I was in second year actually. Yes. So they had given some kind of thing. So totally I had only three, but what I would suggest कि try to make much more. मुझे उतनी visibility नहीं थी project को लेके, but still I tried to do something, but इतना काफी नहीं. I don't think that this is enough. You should be doing something more. learn the technologies and make project on it. Really, it is important because project is the only thing which the recruiter will see. They are not going to see your certificates, तुमने क्या course किया है. It doesn't matter to them. What matters, what you have actually done in the real life project में तुम्हारे पास क्या है. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, now what you should be trying to learn in your 4 years of the college: leadership, management. You should be like, तुम्हें कुछ काम दे दिया जाए, you should have that capacity to, lead a team. You should manage. Another thing is communication. Most of the students in the first year have a problem of communication. They are not able to speak. Please, ऐसा I will give a disclaimer here कि मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि इंग्लिश इज अ रॉन्ग थिंग. इंग्लिश नहीं बोलना चाहिए, आना चाहिए कि यू कैन रिप्रेजेंट योरसेल्फ. ओके. नेक्स्ट थिंग, कमिटमेंट एंड डिजायर टू लर्न. ऐसा होता है वी यूज टू प्लान कि हाँ मैं ये करूँगी, बट एट द एंड ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं पाता है. वो बस ड्रीम्स में रह जाते हैं, बट रियलिटी में इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं होता. सो यू मस्ट लाइक अपने अपने थिंकिंग को लेके कमिटमेंट होना चाहिए कि जो मैंने खुद से कमिट किया है, आई एम एबल टू डू दैट. Another thing is critical thinking and problem solving. What happens in real world, तुमको जैसे कॉलेज में चीज़ें दे दी जाती हैं, क्वेश्चंस मिल जाते हैं एग्जाम्स में, सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स में, whatever, you see the question beforehand, but रियल लाइफ में ऐसा नहीं होता. You will never get the question beforehand. तुमको प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट मिलेगा कि ऐसा ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है, एंड यू विल हैव टू थिंक इन द रियल लाइफ कि रियली ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, उसको कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो अगर वो हैबिट है कि क्वेश्चन देख के आंसर करने की, you will face a lot of problem. Another thing is attention to detail. Whenever we have something, कुछ हमें मिलता है तो just overlook कर देते हैं. We don't see properly कि क्या क्या mention है. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं which will affect your coming time, your entire 4 years, and it will affect your entire 4 year. क्यों, क्या होगा कि अगर स्टार्टिंग से आदत रहेगी कि तुम्हें ध्यान नहीं देना है इन सारी छोटी छोटी चीजों पे, तो बाद में भी नहीं दोगे. when you will come to the job life, वहां भी ध्यान नहीं दोगे. डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, कि एक कुछ तुम्हें डॉक्यूमेंट हैंड ओवर दिया गया है एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू लुक प्रॉपरली कि क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है इसमें. यू आर नॉट एबल टू फिगर आउट व्हाट इज मच मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स. सो दैट इज वन ऑफ थिंग. गिविंग एंड रिसीविंग फीडबैक. कुछ लोगों को बुरा लग जाता है कि अगर तुम उन्हें कुछ बोल दो कि यू हैव नॉट डन दिस थिंग प्रॉपरली, ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए. पीपल, लोग उसको दिल पे ले लेते हैं, इतना दिल पे ले लेते हैं कि बाद में बंद कर देते हैं. सो ये एटीट्यूड नहीं होना चाहिए. द रीजन वाई कि इफ somebody is giving you feedback, वो कुछ तो गलत देख रहे हैं तब तो तुम्हें बोल रहे हो. ट्राई उनके दूसरों के नजरिए से खुद को देखने की एक बार कोशिश करनी चाहिए. आई एम ट्राइंग टू से दैट. सो डोंट बी aggressive when you are getting a feedback from someone. Try to get. What happens कि तुम्हें कोई अगर फीडबैक देता है, it is for your betterment. तुम्हारा इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है उससे. ओके. ये कुछ बेसिक चीजें थी. Some YouTube channels to learn you can check out. That is इसमें mostly electrical, no sorry, mechanical and civil के लिए नहीं है. What I would suggest to those mechanical and civil students, please attend all the alumni talks which will happen for mechanical and civil branch, so that you can ask your questions. I am not very much confident about those mechanical and civil topics कि क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है. So what I will try to make sure कि जो भी एलिमनाई टॉक्स हो सिविल ब्रांच के या फिर मैकेनिकल के, आई विल ट्राई टू गेट दोज आंसर्स आउट फॉर यू. ओके. सम ऑफ these are अपनी कक्षा, जेनीज लेक्चर फॉर CSNIT, नरेश आई टेक्नोलॉजीज. इसमें या नरेश आई टेक्नोलॉजीज, व्हाट यू कैन यूज दैट, you can go to the YouTube channel. You will see a lot of videos on a particular technology. Maybe किसी को वेब डेवलपमेंट करना है, जावा पढ़ना है, whatever you want to learn the things, go for that. Another this one is code with Harry. अगर किसी का कोडिंग का इशू है, you can start with this channel. गेट लेक्चर्स के लिए ये यूजुअली CSE के लिए है, रविंद्र बाबू रावाउल्ला, and you can refer to the Made Easy and ACE Academy lectures. I have not mentioned ACE Academy, but you can check out that also. NESO Academy, you will get a lot of stuffs for ECENs, electrical. You can check out that. Another thing is Geeks for Geeks, जो कहते हैं basic होता है, you know, that is the basic one. I think I don't have anything else. Yeah, that's it. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask right now. Don't wait for time to come when we will talk, when we will be talking one to one. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask.
Ma'am, a beginner can go for Geeks for Geeks.
Definitely, you can go for it. Okay, let me tell you how you can use that. तुम्हें कोई particular topic, for example, C++ ही पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग. C++ में you don't know functions. Directly search the topic functions. You will get an entire article on that. So it doesn't matter you are a beginner or a expert or pro level pro. You can directly go for that. That's it for today. I only wanted to tell you how you should be planning your entire 4 years. Thank you so much for joining. If you don't have any kind of query, you can drop the call, or if you are having anything, you can ask me. Yeah, thank you so much.